In this short video, I'll show you how to hide WhatsApp chats without deleting them. Whether you want to keep certain conversations private or just declutter your WhatsApp chat list, this feature is a game changer. Imagine having the ability to protect sensitive chats from prying eyes without losing the information. The trick in this video will keep your chats out of sight, giving you peace of mind. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including managing privacy on WhatsApp. Today, we'll explore how to effectively hide your WhatsApp chats without deleting them. Stay with me to the end to find out how to know who blocked you on WhatsApp. Now, let's get started on how to hide WhatsApp chats without deleting them. There are 3 ways you can hide WhatsApp chats from your chat list without deleting them. The first method is by archiving chats to hide them, which is suitable for hiding both individual and group chats. Let's start by seeing how to do it on an Android. To start, open WhatsApp and locate the chat you want to hide. Press and hold the chat to select it. Next, tap the down arrow icon next to the 3-dot menu to temporarily archive the chat. The chat will be hidden in the archive list until a new message arrives. To access the archived chats list, scroll to the top of the chat list and select Archived. To unarchive a chat, open the archived chat list, select the message, and tap the arrow up button to return it to the main chat list. To do same on an iPhone, follow these steps, open WhatsApp and swipe left on the chat you want to archive. Tap Archive. The chat will be sent to the archived chats list. To unarchive a chat, go to Archived Chats folder at the top of your screen, swipe left on the chat you want to unhide, and tap Unarchive. Now, on to locking and hiding a WhatsApp chat with the Lock Chat feature. For an extra layer of privacy, WhatsApp's Lock Chat feature allows you to lock individual chats using password verification, ensuring that even if someone gains access to your phone, they can't view these specific conversations without biometric authentication. Once a chat is locked, it's moved to a separate Locked Chats folder, hidden from the main chat list and notifications. Let's take a look at how to use it on an Android. To start, locate the chat you want to lock. Tap and hold the chat to select it. Tap the 3 dots menu at the top right of the screen. From the menu options, select Lock Chat. Then choose either lock with fingerprint or lock with screen lock based on your preference. For iPhone, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Open the conversation you want to lock and hide. Tap on the contact name at the top. Scroll down, locate the chat lock option and tap on it. Enable the toggle for Lock This Chat with Face ID. This will protect the chat by using your fingerprint or Face ID, making the chat hidden from your chat list and notifications. To unhide a chat on an iPhone, simply locate the chat in the Locked Chats folder, swipe left on it, then tap on More. Finally, tap Unlock Chat. To clear all locked chats at once, here's what to do. Go to WhatsApp Settings from the 3 dots menu at the top right. In Settings, select Privacy. Tap on Chat Lock. To unlock all chats, tap on Unlock and clear all chats. Follow it up by tapping again on the pop-up. Before we continue to the methods to lock down WhatsApp chats for extra security, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Let's continue with how to hide WhatsApp chats without deleting them. Now let's see how to hide and lock WhatsApp chats by locking the WhatsApp app itself. For additional security, you can lock the entire WhatsApp app, requiring a fingerprint or facial recognition to access it. However, you can still answer WhatsApp calls even if the app is locked. Here's how to get started on an Android. Open WhatsApp and tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings. In Settings, select Privacy. Scroll down and tap App Lock. Then toggle on Unlock with biometric and choose to use either your fingerprint or facial recognition. To finalize, set the time for automatic locking. For iPhone users, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Select Privacy. Next, tap on Screen Lock. Then turn on Require Face ID or Require Touch ID. This will ensure that only you can access your WhatsApp chats, preventing unauthorized users from viewing your conversations even if they gain physical access to your phone. Note that App Lock is only available on Android devices with a fingerprint sensor running Android 6.0+. Also, facial recognition is only available on Android devices with a face scanner. If you want to know who blocked you on WhatsApp, then tap to watch this video linked here. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.